Hey guys, this is Corey.Buystedt over at Guaranty RV. I'm here to show you this Arctic Fox Camper 811. It's for a short bed. Let's take a look inside. Alright guys, so starting from just the outside front panel, you can see that there's a generator in this. So this is just what you need to power anything you would need inside of this camper. And you can see they got the famous Fox landing is what they call this really big step. Now this step does pack away and kind of go up out of your way, so you can stick a extended hitch on here and tow something behind you. But anyways, as you come up into the stairs, you can see that to your left is your bathroom. Totally enough room for many people of all shapes to fit in here. Now over to your right, you have your dinette. This does turn into a bed. You can just lower down the table and use the back cushions to complete the cushioning in the middle. Now the step to get up into the slided area, it actually lifts up and you can store stuff in there, like a gun or stands or something of that sorts. Over here you have your fridge. This does do gas and electric. Now over here you have this countertop area. Totally enough space. You got a cover for your sink. You got your 3-burner cooktop and an oven down below. You got a little step up here that you can get up into your in your bed. So it's this little carpeted ledge and a little window. It's got a little shade that you can cover it up. But if you leave it up, it helps you kind of like see inside of your camper through your back window of your truck. Now in your bed area, you have tons of storage. You have ledges above the windows. You have cupboards on the sides. You have even these little doors you lift up, and it has a whole storage below on the side of you. It does have a TV, an AC. It's got Zamp solar charging. It's a very great rig. Has a touchscreen stereo in it. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions on this rig or any of our other products, you can call me, Corey.Buystedt, at 541-735-1535.